Now that we have installed VS Code, there's a plugin I want you to get. It is called Live Server. When you have this plugin, first you have to install it. You click on the install button. But what it does is it allows you to launch a local server so that any change you make on your code will be reflected in the web page. In case this looks like rocket science, let us demonstrate what I am talking about. The first step is go to your plugins icon, type in live, then you see the available plugins. The one you want to install is Live Server. Once it is installed, you can head back to your code. Now, when you head back to your code, in the bottom right, you will see a text, Go Live. This is because of the installed plugin. Once I click it, it will open up the web page. It is the representation of this code. But let me do something. Let me add some text to the code. Once I save it, did you see that immediately it was reflected in the web page? I didn't need to reload the web page. Now, for the reflection to happen, you have to save it. If I add a new text, for example, if I say, this is awesome, and I put exclamation mark, and I don't save it, you see that it is not reflected. But if I save it, it reflects on the web page. By saving, I mean, clicking Ctrl S if you're in Windows or Command S if you are on a Mac system. Now this will continue running until you stop the server. To stop the server, go back to where you started the server and click on it. It will disconnect and now the server has stopped. If you make any change from now on and try and save it, you will not see the change. In fact, if you reload the web page, it will not work. So you have this option of using VS Code and Live Server, but in this course, I am going to be using WebStorm. So I will show you how to use WebStorm.